Hi everyone, today I have another video for you. It's a digital converter box for television. This is what it looks like. So this converts for those who have the old analog television, this receives the digital channel and converts it to analog for those television. So someone brought this in with a complaint that it's not powering on. So I thought I'd make a video, show you guys how to go about doing this. So this is the power supply for it. The output is 5 volts DC. So let's verify that the power supply has 5 volts. Guys, remember in this workshop we use no schematics. Yes, 5.2 thereabout. So this seems to be working. So I fixed a lot of these boxes before, and I gathered a lot of experience when it comes to fixing them. And one of the things I discovered is sometimes, or most of the time, nothing is wrong with the unit itself, but there's something wrong with this unit. Even though the tester is telling you that you're having 5 volts, as soon as you plug it in, there's a voltage drop. It drops to like about 2 volts. So 99% of the time, this is the issue. We either change it or we fix it. So for information and for the video, I will explain what I just talked about, the voltage drop. So I'll open this up, plug the power in, and then I'll test on the terminal to see the voltage. What's the voltage like? We should be getting 5 volts still. So let me go right ahead and disassemble this. So here I have it all opened up. So guys, I brought the camera up a little closer so you can get a first-hand look at what I'm talking about. So presently I'm having 5.27 volts thereabout. So I'm going to plug it into this box now. I'm going to take a voltage reading on the terminals here. Okay, look at the tester. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm having 2.15 volts. So it means that when I plug this, when this is under load, there is a voltage drop. Now, most of the time, this is the issue, because if this was not the issue, even though if this was using a lot of current, a high current draw, this would have still tried to at least maintain 4-point-something volts, right? But the fact that it dropped to 2 volts, I'm almost certain that this is the issue. So I'm going to open this up and we'll take a look at it. Here we are. I'm going to remove the screws. I think it only has one screw that's holding it together. Yep, one screw. Just looking at it, physical examination, the DC cap on the output, you can see it's swollen. If you can see, top of it is swollen. So it's 1000 UF 10 volts. So I'm going to replace this cap, and then we're going to see what next. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you know that my videos can help anyone, please share it. So here is the bad cap. So I'm just gonna pause the video, go look for a replacement. I don't want the video to be too long. So guys, I'm back. I found a replacement from one of the junk boards I have. Now what I always do whenever I change these capacitors, this one is rated at 10 volts, 1000 UF. So to prevent this from happening again, what I do, I remain using the 1000 UF, but I change the voltage to 16 volts. And I find when I do that, there's no more complaint about this thing after. Alright? So I'm just going to put this one on. Just have to make sure the polarity is correct. There we go. So I'm just going to replace it. Place it inside of the casing, because the plug has to connect when it's in the casing. Power it up. So I'm going to let you see what's going to happen this time again. So I'm going to plug it in. Here I'm going to test it again. 5.28, that's the voltage right now. So let's see what's going to happen when we plug it in, if there is a voltage drop. So I'm going to stick it into the box, and I'm going to take the voltage measurement on the terminals here, and as you can see it there now, I'm having 5.16 volts. It means that there's no more voltage drop, just point something of a volt. And here we are, the power light on the unit is on. Just wait for a couple seconds and it will start booting. There we go, signs of booting. The display seems to be bad, not functioning properly, but that doesn't affect the operation of the box. Box still works well. So I think this job is fixed. The power was the adapter, like I said. After I changed the swollen cap, there's no more voltage drop across the power supply, the terminals. So if you like my video, thumbs up. If it can help someone, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.